Let's talk about how to beat age-related muscle loss after 60 with these powerful superfoods. Are you tired of feeling weak and losing muscle mass as you age? It's frustrating, and it can make everyday activities difficult. But what if I told you that there are certain superfoods that can help you combat muscle loss and feel stronger than ever before? In this video, we will explore 6 powerful superfoods that can help you build muscle, improve your strength, and make you feel like you're getting younger. So if you're ready to take control of your health and start feeling stronger, keep watching. 1. Eggs. Eggs are a true multitasker. When it comes to supporting muscle health, they are a great source of protein, providing all the essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscle tissue. But that's not all. Eggs also contain vitamin D, which has been shown to improve muscle strength and reduce muscle loss in older adults. To get the most out of your eggs, make sure to cook them properly. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that cooking eggs at home may help preserve their nutrient content, better than buying pre-cooked eggs from a grocery store. So take a few minutes each morning to cook yourself a delicious omelet or scrambled eggs and give your muscles the nourishment they need to thrive. 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a superfood that packs a powerful punch when it comes to supporting muscle health. It is an excellent source of protein, containing more than twice the amount of protein per kilogram than regular yogurt. Greek yogurt also contains calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D, all of which are essential for maintaining strong bones and muscles. In fact, a study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that consuming Greek yogurt before and after exercise can help increase muscle protein synthesis and reduce muscle soreness. So add a dollop of Greek yogurt to your next smoothie, or use it as a topping for your morning oatmeal to give your muscles the protein they need to recover and grow. 3. Salmon. Salmon is a superfood that is packed with muscle-building power. It is an excellent source of protein and healthy fats, which are essential for maintaining strong and flexible muscles. Salmon is also rich in vitamin D, which has been shown to improve muscle strength and reduce muscle loss in older adults. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, eating just 1 serving of salmon per week can significantly increase your vitamin D intake and improve your overall muscle health. To get the most out of your salmon, it's important to cook it properly. Pan-searing or broiling salmon is a great way to keep it moist and prevent it from drying out. So try adding salmon to your diet by making a delicious pan-seared salmon with roasted vegetables, or try adding it to salads for extra protein. For quinoa. Quinoa is an ancient grain that is a powerhouse when it comes to muscle health. It is a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs. Quinoa is also rich in fiber, which helps to stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent muscle breakdown. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning, research found that eating quinoa before exercise can help reduce muscle damage and improve recovery. Quinoa is also a good source of iron, which helps to transport oxygen to your muscles and improve endurance. To prepare quinoa, simply rinse it under water to remove any saponin coatings and then cook it according to the package instructions. Add it to salads, soups, or use it as a side dish to give your muscles the protein they need to thrive. No. 5. Lean beef. Lean beef is a superfood that is an excellent source of protein, providing your body with the amino acids it needs to build and repair muscle tissue. Beef is also rich in iron, which helps to transport oxygen to your muscles and improve endurance. According to a study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition, consuming lean beef can help increase muscle protein synthesis and reduce muscle breakdown. To get the most out of your beef, it's important to choose cuts that are lower in fat and calories. Look for cuts like sirloin steak, tenderloin, or round steak. You can also trim any visible fat before cooking. So try adding lean beef to your diet by making a healthy stir-fry, or by creating a delicious salad with grilled steak and a light vinaigrette dressing. No. 6. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is a superfood that is a true champion when it comes to supporting muscle health. It is an excellent source of protein, providing your body with the amino acids it needs to build and repair muscle tissue. Chicken breast is also rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B6, selenium, and phosphorus, which all play a role in maintaining strong muscles and bones. According to a study published in the British Journal of Nutrition, consuming chicken breast can help increase muscle protein synthesis and reduce muscle loss. To get the most out of your chicken breast, it's important to cook it properly. Avoid overcooking it, or it can become dry and tough. Try grilling, baking, or broiling chicken breast and season it with herbs and spices to add flavor without extra calories. So try adding chicken breast to your diet by making a healthy stir-fry or by creating a delicious salad with grilled chicken and a light vinaigrette dressing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. And as always, remember to consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet or exercise routine. Thank you for watching, and stay healthy, my friends.